Remi, are you ready to go for a pool party soon with Pepin, Daniel, and Ovie? And see Holly as well? Yay! Puppy pool party! We're going soon. Hello guys, we're here. Remi and Daniel. Daniel got a haircut. He's very cute. Okay, personal. Hi, Daniel. Hi, Rem. These guys are best friends, I think. Daniel's like, hey, look at me. Daniel, oh, look, there's these two. Pepin and Ovie. Pepin has the purple collar, and Ovie's that one. Yay! Woo! Careful, guys. Hey, Remi, look at the ball. Look at Icy. Remi. Watch out, guys. And we're waiting for Holly. She's another beagle that looks like them. No? You don't want the soccer ball? She's like, no, I got my friends here. But, yeah, we're waiting for Holly. But look at friends again. Woohoo! And these two are just lovebirds, I think. Oh! Careful, guys. You guys are cute. Oh, he's giving kisses. Remi, not the face. Oh, you guys are cute. But yay! We're just waiting for Holly. Friends forever. They're so cute. Oh, there they go. Like, Ovie and Remi, Pepin and Ovie, Remi and Daniel. They're so cute. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys them. Oh, we're waiting for Pepin. Or, Holly. Sorry. Oh, you guys. Alright, guys. Holly's over here. She's fluffy just like Daniel. But Daniel got a haircut. Holly! This is Miss Holly. And Ovie's barking. And there's Remi. You'll see Ovie in a minute. But look how cute. Hi, Holly. You're fluffy just like Daniel was. Daniel got a haircut. But he's still cute and soft. Hi, Holly, Pepin. You guys remember each other? Hi. Hello. Remi, do you remember Holly, Pepin, Daniel, and Ovie? Yeah? And there she goes. Oh, you guys are right. Look at, aw, sisters. Yay. Oh, there we go. Hello, Remi. Ovie. There's Ovie. He's on a leash because he was being bad. There's Holly. And then there's Pepin. Daniel's over there somewhere. Come on, Remi, down. Come on. There we go. Oh. Sorry, guys. Go on. Come on, Daniel. Oh. All right, go down, guys. Come on. You need to get down there, young man. Come on, puppies. Get going. And then there's Ovie. And then there's Arthur over there. Ovie. That's not a good dear goodness. Look at these two. Oh, come on. Aww. These two are doing Irish dancing over there. What? Come here, you two. Hey, you guys. Hi. That's Pepin and Holly up there. Hi, guys. Aww. Remi, get off of Daniel. She's alpha, I told you. Gentle, Remi, if you need a break, I gotta get you. And look at these two. Oh, you guys best friends? I think so. Look out, whoa. Here they go.
I know, you're not playing that. Oh my God.
Except for Ovie. Who was that? Who got hurt? Oh, Ram. Careful. And she's up. Bad girl. Hey, puppies, where are you? Beagles, where are you? I'll show you guys Ovie. There's Ovie. He's tied up because he's being bad. Silly Ovie. Maybe soon. Woo! Go, puppies. Go. Aww. There we go. Oh, kisses! You guys best friends? Yeah? We're best friends. Oh, there goes Ovie. And then there's Holly. Oh, there's Remi. There we go. Hey, buddy, don't you worry. You can play in a little bit, I'm sure. Hey guys, hi Holly, hi Pepin, Daniel, Ovie. Hi Holly, Holly, you're fluffy, just like Daniel, but he got a haircut. So now you're the fluffiest one.
Be nice to Holly. Be nice to Holly. She's not doing anything.
Is it mini pool party? Is it mini pool party for the girls? Oh, Pepin, you're so cute, giving your foster sister kisses. Ready? Get it, Rem. Get it, Rem. Pool party, Rem. Like, I'm not a big fan, but I'll drink out of it. And Pepin's like, yeah, I'll do the same. Ready? Ready? Woo, she's in it. Yeah, you in it? You like the pool. Get the ball. Remi, get the ball. Get the ball, honey.
You got those two together and those two.
Hi, Holly. Oh, cute. Danielle at the pool now? Gets on the pool? Hey. Remi's like, okay, I'll get in because I like water. So, here's a little mini pool. She's not really getting wet, but that's all right. Oh, look. Holly's getting the ball. Get it, Holly! And, nope. Look at these guys. Come here, puppies. I wish Ovie can play, but he's very mean to Holly, so he's kind of on timeout. They're going to go. Here they come. Oh, they're not coming now. But yeah, they were just playing in the pool. And up they go. They're up there. Silly dogs. They like to play up here for some reason. Whoa, Gentle, what's going on up there?
Well, I'm upstairs.
I know, that's what I said. They sound alike. And they're not even the same. Hey. Remi, no. Let her go, Amy. Let her...
No, Mom said to give them.
Oh.
Can I take her off, please?
Yeah.
Okay, let her.
She wants to see her. Go.
Pepin's like, it's a...
Remi, be nice though.
Aw, Daniel kissing her.
Gang up on Remi.
Yeah. Remi, she's just hurting. Yeah. She's just telling her where to go. Careful. Oh. And there they go. Hi, Pepin. She's so cute. Ovie. And then there's these two. Ovie's over there. Ovie!
Ovie, looking for Holly?
Are you looking for Holly? Oh, there's Pepin. Hi, Pepin. Ovie. Yeah, he's looking for Holly. Holly left. Ovie's finally can come off and hang out with these guys. I don't know if they're going to do zoomies. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. great friends. Pepin's like, I'm getting tired. Yeah. You guys not tired? Remi's like, I'm not tired. Ovie, what do you think? Aw, you guys are great. Yay, puppies! Woo. I don't know if there'll be slow motion in this video. Daniel, Ovie, Holly went home. But we have Holly, Remi, Daniel, and Pepin. Oh, sorry, not Holly. Ovie, Pepin, Daniel, and Ovie, Holly went home. Hi, Ovie. Hi, Pepin. Daniel. Yeah, he got a haircut. Oh yeah, and these two love each other. But I need to get tired. Play with me, Pepin. Look at these two. This is the best day ever, puppy. Gotta get her moving, buddy. Oh. You cute. You guys are cute. You guys getting tired yet? Daniel! Remi's like, I'll be in the middle. Best friends forever, huh? Good. Best friends forever. Tired, Daniel, buddy? Rated PG, Ovie, and Daniel. Alrighty, look at these guys. Miss Princess over here, sleeping. And we got these three over here. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. Yeah, Pepin, you better keep them in line. Hey, you two, come back down. So yeah, the beagle puppies, they're beagle mixes with Jack Russell. They are 7 months, and Remi is 6 months. So yeah, these are a year younger than her, or older than her. So they are, and he's going pee. So yeah, they are 7 months, and she's 6 months. So they're technically the same age. Remi, say bye. Thanks for hosting the visit. Yeah, did you have fun? Remi's gonna shush. And then there's Pepin. I'm gonna end it here, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Say thanks for watching. That's Pepin. Say thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. Ovie, come here. We gotta end the video, buddy. Come here, Ovie. Say thanks for watching, everyone. You're so cute. Hug your pets and have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you guys again soon. And look at these two. Yeah. We're gonna miss these guys. We'll see each other again soon, I'm thinking. Yeah. You guys are cute. You two are cute. Yeah? Ready to go home, Ram? She's so cute. Okay, bye, guys. Aw. Friends forever, huh? Yeah. Yeah.